want to show you how to make an oil for shingles, the neuralgia that you get with shingles. So this has been helping me a lot, so I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to make it with St. John's wort. I put St. John's wort here in oil, in sweet almond oil, for a few weeks, you know, anywhere from 4 to 6 weeks. So I have this going already 6 weeks ago. And so I'm going to take some of this oil and I'm just going to make it like an oil. You can also make it into a salve, an ointment, by adding some emulsified wax or beeswax. I have some beeswax here, but I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to do it topically so I can put it all over my face that I'm having neurological problems there, neuralgia there because of the herpes virus. So what you're going to do is you're going to take some of this St. John's wort oil, okay, about 1/4 cup, and I also am going to put some CBD oil that I already have in here, about 1 ml, 1 drop like this all the way up of CBD oil. I already put it in there, so I put the CBD oil in there. Now you're going to put in here several things that are antiviral. Some of the herbs that are antiviral are rosemary and oregano, basil, essential oils. So I already put rosemary oil in here. I think I have, let's see, and then you're going to put some of the oregano oil in there. It's not here, not this one, hold on. So sorry about that. So oregano oil, I have it right here. And basil oil. This is oregano and basil oil. So you're gonna put half a drop, about half of the drop full of the oregano. Any of the oils that, any of the herbs that are antiviral in there. So I am just gonna leave it like this because I just want it like an oil. But if you want and you put it in a double boiler, you put emulsifying wax or beeswax to make it into like a salve, an ointment. So I'm just gonna put it like that. And you're gonna apply this. You're gonna apply this 3 times a day. I'm having some post-herpetic neuralgia on my face, and so I'm gonna apply it on my face. So I'm just gonna put it in here, just like that, so I can apply it 2 times a day actually. Okay, I'm also gonna tell you that I made the tincture of St. John's wort. So I'm taking 15 drops of St. John's wort tincture 3 times a day, 15 drops, to help with the itching, to help with all of the symptoms that you get with herpes, with shingles. So I hope it helps, and I hope you make it. There you go, another natural product. Thank you for watching.